YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all those who recently subscribed to my channel. Man, we are growing almost to 430 subscribers, right? But the goal is to hit 500 subscribers, right? And then I'm gonna do a giveaway, a $200 giveaway, $100 to two people. If you haven't subscribed yet, man, I'd like to ask right now if you could please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, set your post notifications set on all so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And yeah, man, so I'm doing a technical analysis on Volt, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. All right, Volt has finally made its move. It's printed enough candles to give us some more data to figure out where price is headed. So guys, you know, it is what it is right now, right? Listen, I'm a firm believer in dollar cost averaging. So we'll get to that, man. So remember, guys, please, if you are a returning viewer, please smash that subscribe button. Now let's get to the video.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, y'all. So we got Volt sitting at 602801. I'm gonna blow this up. Okay. Price has definitely printed some more candles. And now, guys, the reason why I took a couple days off was so we could see what happened, right? I did say that we needed price. Okay, so when I last did a video, we were at this green candle right here, right? And I said price needed to come and close above here, above this consolidation area, in order to feel that we were going to continue pushing up to these levels, to this level up here, which is 3445, right? Next daily candle shot up, retested this level. Like I said, it probably was going to, and depending how it closed, we were gonna know from there where price was headed. Price came up, retested, rejected, closed bearish, closed below, okay, closed below this green candle. And what happened next? Price came down. And so obviously, if price could not hold this level here, like I said, at 3,000 even, and it broke that, then price more than likely was going to head down to 2805. And now what happened? Price is at 2800, 2805, give or take. Okay, so I did say in the beginning of my so like 6 videos ago and 5 videos ago, when I started posting again, and for those of you who are new, guys, I have content below. Please check it out. All right. You don't want to miss out on previous information that I've given, and it'll kind of give you an idea of my technical analysis and how I give it and how accurate I am, right? But for those of you who have been watching, you guys do know and have heard me say that I firmly believe that price still has to come back and correct this move, right? We have a push, but we haven't came back and corrected this move here, okay? So now that we're at 2805, it is crucial, right? It is crucial. Oops, excuse me. It is crucial to see what price does now in this zone right here, okay? So if price closes below strongly, which I believe it did and the new candle already started, if we continue to push down, then we're more than likely heading down anywhere to this zone here, okay? So price could be heading down this way, guys, okay? Like I said, sometimes price takes a while for it to finally come back to a certain zone, especially when you have a push for these many days, right? Because this is the daily time frame, and we were bullish. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days worth of volt pushing up. Okay, and eventually it will come back to correct a certain move. Okay, now in this case, we don't know yet if price is going to continue pushing down, right? Price can do one of these things right now. Right? Or price can, and I'm sorry y'all that the internet keeps cutting out, but price can go ahead and possibly do one of these right here. Come back up, retest this level, and push back down, right? And that is what a downtrend will look like, okay? Now, how far would it go? There's no telling. So if we go to the weekly time frame, we're looking very bearish, okay? Previous week, we closed very strong, okay? Bearishly. Okay, now this is not a bad thing, y'all. Just remember, my internet's cutting in and out. So while that happens, let me explain that you have to have pullbacks. So on the higher time frame, that's why I look at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly to see what's really going on, okay? We could be coming back down to retest these levels here, these highs that were previously broken, okay? It could push down from here, right? And then push up, all right? But all this takes time for it to play out, or it's coming down to give us a firm double bottom, okay? And that is a confirmation pattern that price will continue to, that if price holds this level, which it more than likely will, right? I don't see why it wouldn't, because all these weeks we held this level, and then work its way back up. Now, guys, I am a firm believer of dollar cost averaging, right? Okay? Don't look at this like a bad thing. Whenever you have a big push, you have some consolidation. You have the push back down, consolidation, and a push back, and we possibly could see a push back up. And that's what I'm hoping that's gonna happen, right? I wish Volt would have continued to break levels, right? But we are not in a bull run. We don't have any catalyst. We don't have nothing important coming out for Volt. So this is what we get, right? So if we go to look at CoinMarketCap and refresh the page, we are holding at $1.37 trillion market cap. We are down 3% for the day. Now, we do have unemployment claims coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, all right? Depending what the data shows, this can turn around. You know what I'm saying? This could definitely turn around. We have created higher highs. We do need a higher low, okay? It is doing what it needs to do. So don't think, oh shit, man, Volt's going right all the way back down. Listen, Volt has to create structure, okay? Market structure, all right, guys? And until we have a catalyst, until we have something important coming out, Volt's gonna move a certain way, all right? All cryptos are gonna move a certain way, especially because we're not in a bull run. We don't have catalysts. We don't, you know what I'm saying? So, to me, this is still looking good. If we look at the monthly, okay, we did close strong, okay, on the monthly. All right, support was created. We closed strong. We have 9 days till the month is over. Okay, we could not break this level here of 34.45, which seems to show that it's very critical that we break that level, guys. Okay, it is very critical that we break that level because we are rejecting it strong. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen within the next day or so, especially tomorrow when unemployment claims comes out. I do believe that more that we can have an impact to price. Now, is price gonna be impacted in a good way or a bad way? That's the question, right? So we are at that 2800 level, 2805 level. Let's see how this closes. All right, let's see how the new candle forms and go from there, right? But all this to say that even if price were to come, guys, okay, you dollar cost average, and guys, I gotta say, not financial advice. This video is strictly for educational purposes. That is just a disclaimer, okay? Do your own research. Always do your own research, guys, okay? But I do believe that we have to come back down some more, all right? And that's not me being negative. That's me being, giving my opinion on technical analysis, okay? So don't hate me for it. You know what I'm saying? I've been said it videos ago that price, I felt like, had to come down and correct this move, and I believe that's what it's doing. All right, 3,000 level couldn't hold. It said push down, and I said the next level was 2,800. Right, so we shall see, man. We shall see tomorrow. I will post tomorrow a video, guys. All right, Thanksgiving is coming, so happy holidays to those who celebrate Thanksgiving. If you don't watch my video tomorrow or something, just want to go ahead and say that now. If you're on the other side of the world, right? But guys, Vote to me is still a great project, guys. All right. Let's see what Ethereum is doing right now, okay? So Ethereum is still holding that 1918 level, y'all. Just like I said, okay? That support was created at 1918. You can look at it 1918, 1900, okay? Guys, my internet keeps cutting out, so I apologize if you see it flickering. Not the best video. I apologize for that. So right here, obviously, price is respecting this right here, okay? And this is called an ascending triangle, right? So soon we're about to see something happen, whether it's gonna be upwards or downwards, okay? And I believe that unemployment claims could be that that data that we need for it to either pop out from here or to pop downwards, okay? We will know more tomorrow, guys, all right? And I'm sure Bitcoin is doing about the same. Let me see if this could load. Yeah, guys, I have no idea why the internet keeps doing that lately. I gotta figure it out, but nonetheless, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to finish doing there we go. Okay, so like I said before, I had this trend line right here, this white one, right? And I did say, price is respecting this trend line. So until it technically breaks this trend line, we're pushing, we're still holding, right? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here, kind of give you guys an idea, all right? Price has created resistance, support is created, okay, it's respecting this upwards trend line, okay? One of these, so and it's hovering between 36,000, I mean, and 37,000, okay? 37,600. So it keeps bouncing back and forth. It's fluctuating between there. It's consolidation, guys. And what happens after a consolidation? A pop, okay? So eventually we're gonna get here like this and then pop out, right? But it possibly could pop out tomorrow, depending on what happens with unemployment claims tomorrow. We can see price doing something. So price is respecting this trend line. It's in this little range right here. So far I see a double top pattern, but you never know with crypto, man. You really don't. You really never know with crypto. Price could possibly come back down and retest these levels down here. I thought we could get close to at least 40 grand before seeing a reaction, because there is a heavy reaction at 40,000. If you look over here, okay, we have a huge reaction once we get to 40 grand, at least close to it. So, guys, more tomorrow. I will give you better technical analysis tomorrow. Hopefully, my internet's better. Yep, let's see how Vote holds this 2805 level. From what it looks like on the higher time frame on the weekly, it looks like we're going to continue pushing downwards, guys. Yeah. Yep. That's why I like looking at higher time frames, y'all, because you get more of an idea of what's going to happen. Okay? And like I said, guys, even if it does come down to these levels here, we're still, we've held this level strong. I don't see it pushing down more. I don't. But like I said, you never know what could happen. Okay. But price has created, high, low, high. Now, it would be nice if price could just push back up and give us a double bottom from this level here, right? But it's too soon to tell. If we close weekly strong below this level, then we're going to continue pushing downwards. And how far, that would be determined after we see more candles printed, right? If we see volume slowing down, if we see smaller candles getting smaller and smaller. But yeah, guys, more tomorrow. I will post probably tomorrow night around this time again. So y'all be safe. Y'all remember dollar cost average. Never put more than you can afford to lose. All right. Yeah. This isn't the best news for everybody, I'm sure, right? But for those who are patient, succeed, right? So, just want to let y'all know, man. Y'all be safe. Have a good night, good morning, wherever y'all at. Peace.